What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're back on the BMW. We will be fitting this carburetor that we rebuilt in the previous episode. If you missed it, you can check up here. So pretty easy, let's get to it. Okay guys, so we are out in the open, so a lot of birds and stuff. Let's fit this carburetor, and I'm not going to fit the airbox yet. Fit the battery, fit the fuel tank, and see if it will run. Okay guys, so let's see if she will fire up for us. So first, we've got fuel. I should maybe open up the carbs and see if the bowls will actually fill up with fuel now. Okay, so all we have to do is just open up this valve, which is pretty dang tight. And we've got fuel coming out. Great. Okay, now for the other side, I don't know if you guys will even see this. And we have fuel coming out. Great stuff. So, let's start this. Okay guys, so as you've seen it does run, but it runs extremely rich, and I'm not 100% sure which way the air screw valve should go now. Comment down below if you guys know. And then also it sounds like the starter clutch is also goner, so I'll have to replace that. Something to look into, unfortunately, in the next video. So this is a bit of a shorter video, but this is a work in progress, and parts for it are pretty hard to get by. So thank you all for watching. Enjoy your day. Cheers.